Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go!
Let's run away.
Good day, YouTube. We're the Pinichis and we're back with another video.
Hey guys, so we wanted to do a race to see who would finish 2 bags of hot fries first. But in the middle of it, we decided it was too much, so we did 1. Lol.
Today's challenge is a race between us 3 to see who can finish
1.
we got our hot fries the fastest. The top 2 are safe, the last one gets punished.
Okay, the punishment for this challenge is that whoever finishes last, well, technically they won't finish, but we'll put the remaining of whatever they have inside the blender and make it liquidy, and they'll have to drink it.
By the way, we're not drinking water throughout any of this. Alright?
No water.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Call me a little bitch, but the heat gets after you. Gets to you. The spiciness gets to you.
That's a lot. There's no way this goes on. Oh my god, they're really good.
Dude, this is hot! Hot fries have never been hot in my entire fucking life, and now they start to be hot.
Are you spicy?
I don't know.
I'm just not enjoying this. I don't.
I'm sorry, I'm eating with my mouth open. But it just makes it easier at this point, I'm sorry guys.
It's because I never knew hot fries. There wasn't that many hot fries in there.
I could do this if I was eating it in my own big time.
Yeah.
Watching something, right? Not just fucking like trying to.
My fucking
Do you still have more in your bag?
no.
Can't even swallow anymore.
GG.
Show them the bag.
One bag.
Oh. Oh my god, no. Are you done?
Yeah.
George, get back here! What the fuck?
Done. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there's like 2 fries in here.
Alright guys, so I got first place, beating them by a mile. Guillermo got second place.
I was so close. I had very little.
Last place.
So close yet so far.
And Rosa. Alright guys, so after
It was really
Honestly,
bad.
it wasn't that bad. It's just my mouth, like I have no mouth stamina. Like it just hurt when I chew.
Okay, so to me it was difficult because you get big chunks of chips stuck in your teeth. I mean, let's be real. That happened to you guys too, right?
That fucking braces will feel
That's the worst, so that's why it gets difficult, but
I haven't eaten hot fries in like a while, so like this was my first time eating them in a long time, and I don't really like them that much.
Alright guys, we're out here recovering, you know? We're getting him ready to get punished. Are you excited? That means yes in Guillermo.
Oh, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Alright, okay, so water. Actually, we have to put these things first. Alright, put water.
How much?
It has to be
Yeah,
like
yeah, there.
There?
Yeah, there.
There.
You're not gonna do it. Damn, bro!
Wait, you should get a cup of water ready.
It's not even chunky.
Hold up,
It's
hold
just
up.
straight up liquid. What we say, George?
I'm just gonna fucking throw it.
Nah. We like to drink or no? Stop it, bitch. No, dude, I want to smell it.
I went above and beyond to make sure I won.
Exactly.
I should have.
It straight up smells like hot fries, which is not pleasant.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go! Dude, it took like one.
Bro, no. He's gonna throw up all the hot fries. Oh my god.
Alright, so that's been our spicy food eating race. First, second,
Last.
my baby girl. It's all good. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe,
For more content like this.
and comment. Alright, and we're
Alright
out.
guys, well subscribe if you want more content like this and more challenges. We're gonna be doing more crazy shit. So,
And we're out.
Guys, we're the Pinichis and we're out.
peace. We out.
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live.